Look no further than the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated rear seat, premium sound system, fog lamps, dual zone AC. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.